Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are looking at a coach that takes the legendary bunkhouse layout and gives it the XL treatment. This is the 2017 Forest River Berkshire XL 40BH. This is a CARFAX one-owner masterpiece with only 31,000 miles on the odometer. When you step up to the XL trim in the Berkshire line, you are getting enhanced features and a higher level of finish. At 41 feet long, this bunkhouse features 4 enormous slide-outs that expand the interior into a massive residential space capable of sleeping up to 10 people. Take a look at this stunning profile. We are looking at the Ruby Tundra graphics package. This is a premium multi-stage full-body paint job. Notice how the deep reds and metallic silvers flow seamlessly across those 4 slides. Because it's an automotive-grade paint finish, it has a depth and luster that decals simply can't match. It's a coach that looks just as fast standing still as it does cruising down the interstate. As we walk the passenger side, you'll notice the full awning suite. You have a power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning, creating a huge shaded area for your campsite. You also have protective slide toppers over all 4 slide-outs to keep debris away from your seals. Now check this out. We have installed brand new tires all the way around this RV. You're hitting the road on fresh rubber, which is a massive value and a major maintenance item checked off. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV, marine-grade stereo, and speakers. It is the perfect setup for catching the game while you're lounging outside. Throughout this walk-around, notice the polished wheels and the massive one-piece windshield. From the integrated side view cameras to the 10,000-pound trailer hitch, every inch of this XL indicates a coach that was the absolute pride of ownership. We're going to wrap up the exterior and then dive into the basement to look at the heavy-duty mechanical systems and the solar package that make this Berkshire XL a true standout. Let's move down to the basement, because the Berkshire XL is built on a foundation designed for the long haul. We are sitting on the heavy-duty Freightliner XCR chassis. Since this is a rear-engine diesel, you benefit from full air ride suspension and full air brakes. It delivers that signature floating ride where the coach absorbs the road, making a 10-hour drive feel like a trip to the grocery store. Powering your journey is the muscular Cummins ISL diesel engine. It produces 380 horsepower and a staggering 1,150 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the heavy-duty Allison 3000 mH 6-speed automatic transmission. Whether you're pulling a heavy trailer or climbing a mountain pass, this powertrain provides smooth, unrelenting power. Moving into the storage bays, we have massive pass-through basement compartments. And check this out. We have a slide-out storage tray included, making it effortless to reach your heavy gear from either side of the coach. Now here is a feature that really sets this unit apart: a complete solar charger setup. We have 3 roof-mounted solar panels already installed. This is a game changer for those who like to dry camp or spend time off the grid, as it keeps your batteries topped off without having to run the generator as often. Speaking of power, we also have a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator mounted on a slide-out tray for easy service. You've got 50 amp service on a power cord reel, a Magnum inverter charger, and dual roof ACs to keep the cabin ice cold. Setup at the campground is handled by the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. To keep you safe on the highway, you have the full camera system with both rear view and side view monitors. Every mechanical component on this Berkshire XL, from the 10,000-pound hitch to the heavy-duty cooling system, is designed for maximum durability. Let's head inside and see how the XL luxury translates to the interior. Up into the Berkshire XL, and the upgrade in quality is immediately apparent. The 40BH floor plan is legendary for its ability to house a big crew in total comfort. You'll notice the beautiful ceramic tile flooring that runs throughout the entire coach. It's durable, easy to clean, and gives the interior a very high-end residential look. You have an abundance of floor space created by those 4 large slide-outs, making it easy for 10 people to move around without feeling crowded. It truly feels like a luxury apartment that just happens to have wheels. The kitchen is fully equipped for the traveling family. You have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a residential sink and faucet, and an induction cooktop. There is a microwave convection oven for your baking needs, and a dedicated pantry for all your dry goods. The solid surface countertops provide plenty of room for meal prep, and the cabinetry is solid wood with a rich finish that reflects the Berkshire XL quality. In the front lounge, we have a great seating area featuring a jackknife sleeper love seat. For entertainment, you have a 32-inch TV mounted above the cockpit seats. The cockpit itself features plush captain's chairs that provide a commanding view of the road and swivel around to join the social area when you're parked. It's a bright, open space that makes every leg of your journey enjoyable. Across from the love seat is the convertible booth dinette and a large pull-out sleeper sofa. This is where you'll find the primary entertainment center with a 40-inch TV and an electric fireplace. The fireplace adds a cozy ambiance and provides a great source of electric heat on those cool mornings. Between the sofa, the dinette, and the love seat, you have a massive amount of sleeping space, even before we get to the back of the coach. Moving down the hallway, we find the bunkhouse area. We have 2 dedicated bunk beds, and look at the setup. Each bunk has its own individual TV. A fantastic design feature here is that this bunk area can transform into an additional closet when you don't need the beds. It gives you incredible flexibility for however you choose to travel, whether you have kids or just need extra storage for a long-term trip. The private bathroom is centrally located and very well appointed. The standout feature is the huge shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds natural light and extra headroom. You have a solid surface vanity, a sink, and plenty of storage for your toiletries, along with a toilet and a power vent fan. It's a clean, functional space with premium fixtures. Having a bathroom of this size is a major plus when you are traveling with a full house of 10 people, ensuring everyone has the space they need to get ready in the morning. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach. It features a comfortable queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. You've got a ceiling fan to keep the air moving, and windows on both sides for great cross-ventilation. It's a quiet, cozy room that ensures you get a great night's rest. For the long-term traveler, this coach comes equipped with a stackable washer and dryer. Having separate machines instead of a combo unit is a huge luxury. It allows you to wash and dry simultaneously while you're out enjoying your vacation, making this Berkshire XL a truly self-sufficient home. The master suite is rounded out with a massive wardrobe closet and plenty of drawer storage for all your travel attire. You also have your own dedicated 32-inch TV back here. The fit and finish in this room, from the solid wood cabinetry to the premium lighting, really emphasizes the XL quality. It is a peaceful, private area separated perfectly from the rest of the coach. Whether you're a weekend warrior or planning on cross-country travel with the whole family, this master suite provides every luxury you could ask for. It's the perfect place to recharge after a day of adventure. As we walk back through the coach, you can really appreciate the flow and the residential feel of this layout. From the master suite through the bunk area and into the massive living room, every transition is wide and inviting. You can see the quality in the ceramic tile floors and the handcrafted cabinetry. Forest River has optimized every inch of this 41-foot coach to ensure you never feel cramped, even with a full house. It's a design that has been perfected for the serious traveling family. This 2017 Forest River Berkshire XL 40BH is a fantastic find for any family. To recap, you are looking at a CARFAX one-owner bunkhouse with only 31,000 miles. You're getting the power of the Cummins ISL engine on the heavy-duty Freightliner XCR chassis with brand new tires and a triple solar panel setup. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, please give us a call at 864-2609-276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet for this unit. Thanks for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales, and as always, happy camping!